Now we will know the values in details. So let's see what is on the screen and what is value C. So here you can see on your screen that values form the basis for all our thoughts, okay, behavior and actions. So here it is telling that already we have read that values form the basis of your behavior. Just like that, here it's also forms the thoughts, actions also. These three things are formed with the help of your values. Whatever your values or beliefs or principles that decides your thoughts, behaviors and actions. Okay, next, here it is telling that once we know what is valuable to us, these values becomes the basis, the anchor for our action. So here it is also telling us once we know what is valuable to us, if we came to know which one is valuable, which one is good for us, which object or things are good for us, valuable to us, then these values becomes the basis. Then these values or these principles or beliefs form the basis of our actions. Whatever we are doing, how we react to some person or some object or something, that is totally depends on our values. We also need, next it is telling that we also need to understand the universality of various human values, because only then we can have a definite and common program for value education. So here it is telling that we also need to understand the universality of various human values. So we have to know what is valuable, what are the values that is common to all human beings. Universality, what is common to all human beings, that we have to understand first, because only then we can have a definite a common program for value education. Then only we can decide which type of education we can offer in our universities or colleges or schools, so that we can make it a valuable education. Okay, next it is telling that then only we can be assured of a happy and harmonious human society. Then only we can create a happy and harmonious society. So here we have to make our society better, and it is possible only by means of your value education. Okay, so here this is the values which one is very much helpful to build up our society in a better way. Okay, next here some definitions are given. Value, what here it is telling that first definition is your a value is defined as a value is defined as a principle that promotes well-being or prevents harm. So here it is directly it is telling that some principles, a principle which promote what? Well-being, betterment of human being or prevents harm. It is preventing or it is preventing the harm or hurting people. Okay. Another definition, in another way, we can define values as a guidelines for our success and our paradigm about what is acceptable. So here another definition telling that it is the guidelines. It guides us. Some guidelines are written written form guides, it is guiding in written form for our success and our partism. Whatever we got success in our life, it is just guides us and about what is acceptable, and it is tells us what is acceptable in our life. Okay, next come to the third definition, that is values are our guidelines for our success, our paradigm about what is acceptable. Same type of definition it is, that there it is the guidelines for our success, and it is our paradigm about our what is acceptable. Next, according to Carl, next definition is according to Carl 1968, it is telling that values are the conception of the desirable as standard of evaluation, as standard of evaluation, as guides for decision making behavior, or simply as expression of preference. So here it is telling what? It is the conception of desirable as standard of evaluation, as guides for decision making behavior, or simply as a expression of preference. So many things here it decides. Just first one is your desirable behavior. Maybe if we want to change the behavior of other people, then also we need education, and education that is based on also your values. Okay, valuable education will be there, then only we can change the behavior of other people. Then it is the standard of evaluation also. Okay, it is the standard of, it helps to standardize the evaluation process also, and also it guides for decision making. Already we have discussed that here it helps to judge, it helps to judge in your life and choosing the best alternative, okay, among several alternative. Okay, so or we can say it is simply an expression of preference. So here values helps us to guide in our life to make better of our life. In simple sentence, it is helps us to make our life better. Okay, so these were the definitions of values. Okay.